Komsi benta ban pensuk ya kalek kawan jong kisamla puli kathan Eastern West Kasil Sisrek bat ban plelat plelenti ru saya ki babon kisamla banyo puli hapo ka college khat saw pra ka badon hakasnong mission mairang menda ka sngi ka nyotari ubnai nai weng umentri rang ba ka jela ukonat ke sangma ula plai pai ba ya Tylli ki boskul ki bari kerpang na ka benda kisamla puli jong khat saw pra college ha ka jingalang ka blolong hapo ka college hall ha mairang mission shu ha ka te ka jo ka sngi umentri rang ba ulayo ru ban ple pai ba saya Mawnongrim ban Pynïar ka building jong ka te ka jaka puliem Hagan ni lawan bansak hilang ya ka jingelang da UMDC ka than uba bat skam ta thiang u president ka national pageant of India uba ransom sutunga ka director jong ka national pageant ka kong Eldora bet siling do u deputy commissioner ka Eastern West Castles uba Wilfred nong sit u superintendent of police uba Maxwell CM ki officer na kam prepare ki nong hikai ki sama puli bat ki.
For you at this age, while you are growing, the most exciting time of your life, and also the time when you're going to learn the most, also the time that you're going to make the maximum mistakes in your life. This is a great time to really, inculcate this entire discipline inside yourself. And I lay a lot of stress on discipline. I lay a lot of stress on timing. As I was just going to the washroom and I was coming back and I was listening to somebody speak. I don't know if it was a tape or whether it was a compere who was reading out. But she was mentioning about time. And I heard those points while I was sitting down and I heard them speak about time and how precious it is. And I want to share this with you. And I hope that if there is one message that you will take away from my speech today and something that you would want to learn from me, then it is about timing. It is about being punctual. It is about being disciplined. And it starts, as I said, by being on time. Because by doing that, you're not only are you respecting time, but you're respecting others also. A lot of people are here having many other things to do. So one should ensure that you always are on time. So I'm very thankful to our principal who has been so particular and he kept pushing, saying that time is important. And I felt bad actually. I felt very bad. I was supposed to spend much more time out here with you. But as you're all aware, we have the Mawnongrim dance today, which is, it's a very important festival for the Khasis, and hence it is important that I attend it. And again, I should be there also on time. So that starts at 2 o'clock. So I need to be there on time. So hence we had to rush this program a bit. But at this point in time, I would first of all really like to, congratulate the entire managing committee, the governing body and the teachers and the non-teaching staff, and especially the principal of this college for really making this college what it is today. And we run a college, we have a college by the name of Pynïar College, a high secondary school, and I know how difficult it is to run, especially when you have to put in funds from your own side. It's not easy, and there are a lot of challenges. So today I must really congratulate our principal and the governing body and the president of the governing body for all the work that you've been doing to be able to serve and to be able to make the lives better for the young minds out here, to be able to give them this opportunity to be studying in an institute like this. And many youths in our state today are not able to go and be part of higher secondary and college education simply because the opportunities are not there. It's a big challenge, and that's why we have also the challenge of the dropouts that we have. So hence you are very lucky today, and you must thank the founders of this college. You must thank the governing body and the principal and the current staff who are sacrificing for you. And this is something that you need to understand and you need to keep it in your mind, that this would not be possible without the sacrifice that they're making.